Hi, this is Jonathan, and this is Module 1, the training for the JDizzle Cold Calling. Just wanted to give you a quick breakdown of what exactly this sheet is and what we're trying to accomplish and what we're trying to look for. So, as you'll see here, you're going to see the business name here. That's the name of the business of who we're calling. Business type. Basically, what I had my VA search for was different business types that would be ideal candidates for a vending machine. So you'll see laundromats, barbershops, beauty salons. What else did I put? I had tattoo shops, car dealerships, a bunch of different searches that we had the VA fill out. And so address, where they're located, and their phone number. And so the most important thing that what you're trying to accomplish when you're reaching out to these people is one, are they going to, are they interested in a potential vending machine? What they, they could provide value to their business. They can make a cut of the profits, and it's literally, cash while they're doing nothing. One of the things I want to emphasize, though, is there's going to be certain businesses that never even bring up the fact, oh, can I make a cut of the money? You're offering a service to them, and they will never even ask for the money because you're providing a service to their customers. And, if you're providing a service to their customers, that benefits them indirectly. And so I wouldn't suggest bringing up making the profits unless they bring it up first. And what the answer to that would be is we offer a 10% profit share of gross sales. It's not a profit share. Gross sales of what the vending machine brought in for the month, and we pay out once a month. We have them sign an agreement, and our agreements are 1 year long, and that's basically it. You want to find the point of contact, who the name of the owner or the decision maker is, and so you're going to write that down here, the date that you called them, and any comments if they said yes or no, and if the answer is no, what was the reason why? Maybe they have another machine, and you would want to ask the types of questions that would, is it being serviced properly? Are they happy with the service from the vending machine? Maybe dig for possible pain points that they have with, do they leave? Is the machine empty a lot? Are they not being serviced on time properly? If they're open to that discussion. Some of these people, barbershops are busy, and it's usually one of the barbers that's answering the phone at the time. And so you want to be very respectful of their time. Oh, can I call back at another time? Can I call back, later when you're available, when you have a few minutes, or possibly set up an appointment in person if they're interested. And if they're open to it, but they want to discuss more details, I would absolutely schedule an appointment. And I'll send you another link of the calendar, and we can schedule appointments on that calendar if necessary. And so that's basically it. You want to make sure the most important thing is, the name of the contact that you called, and why, if they said yes or no. And if we can get the name of the contact, that just who we can reference in future if they're open to it. Sometimes they're just busy and they don't want to talk, but maybe they want to just have another conversation. So absolutely get those names, and why not? Any pertinent information that might be that might help us potentially land a location. That is all for now. And if you have any questions, just reach out. Thank you.